Pero pag hindi lang ang nakita niya. Why? Ganun na kanila ng parang no? They can actually live without even having ventures. Diba? It is, in return, their quality of life. Eventually, same condition that can affect us in the power council. Tayo choice condition na yun. May mga elders tayo na okay lang meron tayo yung pero nakakali sila. But, alam ba nila na there are repercussions in the future if you do not have ventures? Diba? And when they decided to actually have their ventures, anong problema sa ating dentista? Flat na ang risk nila. Wala na tayong kakapag-release by a good management. Tooth loss is one of the worst kinds of damage to oral health, causing aesthetic and functional problems. It also, in addition to the biological cause of tooth loss, socioeconomic factors contribute to oral health associated with tooth loss. Ang batang mayroong tooth loss.
Pati ka na kusa, ha?
Puso ba kayo ang pinuhin na kumin? Puso ba kayo? Wala sila kumin na. Kaya walang mataas na sila tayo. Ano nangyayari if a child will have tooth loss or early removal of primary tooth? The child can develop.
Dok, nasaan tayo, Dok?
Sa Leyte.
Yan. Former president niya ng PDA, Philippine Dental Association. But right now, ang present, si Dr. Ronaldo Nunea. Diba? Thank you, Doc.
Ingat.
See you in Ormoc.
See you in Ormoc.
Opo.